everyone? It's your girl Kenzie here from Layton Sports Cards. Whipping a personal for Victory B. We've got a 2021 Bowman Inception baseball. All right, Victory, good luck, and here we go. All right, parallel up first. We've got gold, 38 out of 50, Austin Martin. Nice hit there in his Twins uniform. That's crazy. His autos are in the Blue Jays, but they got him in his Twins uni. Nice one there out of 50. We got an extra hit too. All right, we've got Drew Waters for the Braves. Armando Cruz for the Nationals. And a Patrick Bailey for the Giants. We've got to 50 for the Reds, Ivan Johnson. Nice low numbered one there. Ivan Johnson. Then we've got to 600 for the Nationals, Sammy Infante. I'm sorry, we don't have an extra. We had an extra parallel in here. That is not an auto next. That was weird. Yeah, we had extra parallel. And then a parallel of Luis Rodriguez. Nice Rodriguez there. And a Martin 250. Here you go, Victory. Thanks again. Congrats on these hits, and we'll get this right out to you.